Boiled eggs are a nutritious food rich in protein, vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients. Here are 10 health benefits of eating boiled eggs. 1. High-quality protein. Boiled eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, containing all the essential amino acids needed for muscle repair, growth, and maintenance. Protein is essential for supporting muscle health, satiety, and metabolic function. 2. Nutrient-dense. Boiled eggs are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin B12, riboflavin, and folate, as well as minerals such as iron, phosphorus, selenium, and zinc. These nutrients play vital roles in various physiological functions and contribute to overall health and well-being. 3. Weight management. Boiled eggs are low in calories but high in protein and healthy fats, making them a filling and satisfying food choice that can help support weight management and control hunger. Including boiled eggs in meals or snacks can promote feelings of fullness and reduce calorie intake throughout the day. 4. Heart health. Boiled eggs contain heart-healthy nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, choline, and antioxidants, which may help reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Omega-3 fatty acids help lower blood triglycerides and cholesterol levels, while choline supports cardiovascular function and brain health. 5. Eye health. Boiled eggs are rich in antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which are essential for maintaining eye health and preventing age-related macular degeneration. These antioxidants help protect the eyes from oxidative damage and reduce the risk of vision loss. 6. Brain function. The nutrients found in boiled eggs, including choline, vitamin B12, and omega-3 fatty acids, are important for brain health and cognitive function. Choline plays a key role in neurotransmitter synthesis and brain development, while vitamin B12 supports nerve function and mental clarity. 7. Bone health. Boiled eggs are a good source of vitamin D and calcium, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Vitamin D helps regulate calcium absorption and bone mineralization, while calcium is a key component of bone tissue and skeletal health. 8. Blood sugar control. The protein and healthy fats found in boiled eggs can help stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes.